Good day. I'm here to talk on cell signal leading to apoptosis. But before I begin, I would like to explain what and what apoptosis is. Apoptosis can be said to be programmed cell death, which is totally different from necrosis. Necrosis is a traumatic cell death that is as a result of acute cell injury, and the necrotic cells are seen as danger signals by the immune system. Apoptosis is highly regulated, and such can be seen as advantageous during organic cell cycle. It can be seen in the formation of limbs, organ, and maintaining body system of an adult. Now let's go over to what the pathways are. The pathways leading to apoptosis are of two principal types: the extrinsic and the intrinsic. The intrinsic is mitochondria mediated, and it is seen as when cell goes through cell stress or when the mitochondria releases a protein. Mitochondria releases cytochrome, which leads to a complex known as aposomes that activates capsid. Note that activated capsids are important during apoptosis initiation, suppression, or amplification. Now to the extrinsic pathway. The extrinsic pathway is a death receptor pathway which involves a receptor being on the cell surface and encounters a specific ligand. These ligands or receptors from a family which is known as TNF receptor superfamily, and there are three: the fast ligand, the death receptor ligand, and the death receptor apoptosis inducing ligand. And the last one is TNF alpha and TNF receptor 1. These receptors contain death domain that leads to the activation of a complex, which in turn activates the caspase that leads to apoptosis. The diagram below gives a full explanation of what these pathways leading to apoptosis are. Um, Apoptosis is highly regulated, yes. So when it starts, it cannot be stopped. So when you try to stop the processes, these pathways that lead to apoptosis, it could lead to human diseases, which are neurodegenerative or autoimmune diseases, other and infectious diseases, cancer, or AIDS. Thank you.